After uncovering an entire underground collection of forgotten classics, only one vehicle remained hidden in the shadows, and nobody knew what was beneath the tarp. The moment we removed the cover, the entire garage went silent. It wasn't just another classic car. Hidden underground was an ultra-rare 1937 Grand Tourer believed to be worth millions. Despite the dust and decay, the craftsmanship was unbelievable. Every detail showed signs of luxury from a forgotten era. The badge revealed something shocking. Only a handful of these cars were ever built, and most were believed lost forever. The car safely became a challenge of its own. Every inch felt fragile after sitting untouched for nearly 90 years. For the first time in generations, water touched the body of the forgotten Grand Tourer. Underneath the dirt was a beautiful midnight blue finish, preserved far better than anyone expected. The interior felt frozen in time. Old newspapers, travel bags, and personal belongings still remained inside the car.
We finally saw the original owner, standing proudly beside the car, sometime in the late 1930s.
The engine looked intimidating, even by modern standards. Restoring it would take weeks of careful work. Piece by piece, the legendary engine slowly returned to life. The handcrafted chrome details transformed the car completely. It finally started looking worthy of its legendary reputation.
The original wooden dashboard had survived nearly a century underground. We restored it as carefully as possible. After decades sitting motionless, the Grand Tourer could finally stand proudly once again. This was the moment we had all been waiting for.
At first, nothing but silence and smoke. Then suddenly, the forgotten machine awakened after nearly 90 years. The restoration was finally complete. The lost Grand Tourer looked more beautiful than anyone imagined.
What started as a single abandoned car hidden in a swamp became one of the greatest forgotten car discoveries we had ever seen.
But before closing the underground garage forever, we discovered one final mystery hidden behind a locked vault door.